Have you ever thought you were losing your mind? Today we're talking about smoke detectors, batteries, and different types. I'm going to show you how to install one, how to check the batteries, how to replace the batteries. First one we're going to install is a 10-year lithium ion detector that you actually do not have to replace the batteries in. It doesn't chirp, has a 10-year shelf life, and I'm going to show you how to install it and what to do to check and make sure that it's working, and how to mark it so you know when to replace it. Most of them come standard with this same installation hardware. It's going to be a small wall anchor and 2 screws. They all come with a mounting plate. We're going to put the mounting plate up, mount it to a ceiling, mount it to a wall. If you mount it to a wall, you want to mount it about 4 to 6 inches below the ceiling. Take it out, mark the spot, move it out of the way. Drill a pilot hole for your anchor. Push in the plastic anchors. If you've never done anything like this before, we do have another video that goes into detail about different types of wall anchors for sheetrock. Be a good time to check that out. For this one, you can actually start the screws in there because it has a turn lock. So what I mean by that is, once you get the screws almost all the way in, place them over the hole that's larger than the screw, like so. Then you twist it. Oh, I tightened them too much. Loosen them up. Then you twist it in place. Then tighten it the rest of the way down. The smoke detector itself is going to mount on the mounting plate. You just line up the little notch and spin it. It stays in place. Take it down, turn it to the left, counterclockwise. Take it off the mounting plate. This one, like I said, comes with a 10-year warranty. Remove and discard before activating alarm. So we're going to pull that out. It's going to activate the battery. Hold and test. When you have a 10-year smoke detector like this one, it has a spot on the side here. Hopefully you can see that. It says installed on, do not remove, replace by. So on there today is 9/8/25. Replaced by 9/8/35. Now just because it has a 10-year battery in it doesn't mean you don't have to check it like any other smoke detector. So you still want to check it annually to ensure that it's working properly. Replace it before the date that you wrote on there. Also, replace it if when you go to test it, it does not function correctly. Now I'm going to install the other two, and then we'll talk about changing the batteries. So this smoke detector that we just installed uses 2 AA batteries. You remove it the same way as the other one, turn it counterclockwise. On the side here, it has a battery tray. Pop that out. Picture in there shows you that left side positive up, right side positive down. This is a battery, AA. Positive side is the top with the pointy end sticking out. Negative side is the flat side. So we're going to stick the pointy end up on the left and the pointy end down on the right. Then we shut the tray.
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke. Evacuate.
Alright, so every time you change the batteries or install new batteries, it's going to make you go through the test sequence, and then you know that it's working correctly. To reinstall it, put it back up here, twist it to the right or clockwise until it sticks. This type of smoke detector, you do want to check annually and replace the batteries as needed. This is the most common type of smoke detector. 9-volt battery. To take it off the mounting plate, turn it to the left or counterclockwise. It has a battery tray, just like the other one. This one's brand new, so the battery had never been activated before. On this one, you pinch the little button there, pop it open. The 9-volt battery is going to come out like so. This is a 9-volt battery. Negative is the large, positive is the small. On here it has a little diagram for which way that it goes. Large on that side, small on this side. So we put it back in. Hear it, push to test. You want to make sure you test it every time you change the battery or annually to ensure that the battery is still working. That's how you install and change the batteries in smoke detectors. If you have questions about where in your home you should be installing smoke detectors, each one of these comes with a set of instructions and recommended locations for installation. If you have any questions about smoke detectors, please put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help any way that we can. That's another video brought to you by Your Home Made Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.